Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today's class is on the topic area of similar triangles. Under this topic, we will be deriving the relationship between the areas of similar triangles and their corresponding sides. After completing this topic, you will be able to relate area of similar triangle to their corresponding sides. For that, we will be proving the theorem, and the statement of the theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So according to the statement of the theorem, it is given to us that there are two triangles and these two triangles are similar. Now let us name these two triangles as triangle ABC and triangle PQR. As these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles will be equal and the ratio of their corresponding sides will also be equal. Hence, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Also, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. So, as the triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. That is AB upon PQ whole square, BC upon QR whole square, or AC upon PR whole square. As area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides, so we will be taking one pair of corresponding sides to prove this theorem. Now as the area of triangle is involved here, and how we used to calculate area of triangle in our lower classes, if its base and height is given by using the formula, that is area of triangle is equals to half base multiplied by height. Now in these two triangles we are having base but we don't have the altitude. So for that we will be constructing the altitude, that is we will be drawing AM in triangle ABC and altitude PN in triangle PQR. Now again moving to left hand side of the condition which we have to prove, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Now area of triangle ABC is equals to half BC multiplied by AM, where BC is a base and AM is a altitude. So we have replaced area of triangle ABC by half BC multiplied by AM, and we have replaced area of triangle PQR by half QM QR into PN, where QR is a base and PN is a altitude. On further solving this, we get the result area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR multiplied by AM upon PN. Now if you carefully look at the result of equation 1 and what we have to prove, you can see that we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR should be equals to BC upon QR whole square. But in this case we are having BC upon QR multiplied by AM upon PN. It is that now if we can replace this AM upon PN by BC upon QR, we can get our desired result. So for removing AM upon PN, we will be taking the help of these two triangles, and these two triangles are triangle ABM and triangle PQN. We will be proving these two triangles similar. Now in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, angle B is equals to angle Q. It is given to us. B and Q are the angles of similar triangles, given similar triangle, and angle M is equals to angle N is equals to 90 degree because we have done construction here. Therefore, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by A similarity. Now, these two triangles have become similar, therefore, their corresponding sides will be in a same ratio. Therefore, we get AM upon PN is equals to AB upon PQ. Also, we are given with AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR because ABC and PQ are similar triangles. Now, if you carefully look equation 1, 2 and 3, you can see that we have to replace AM upon PN in equation 1. So from equation 2, we can replace AM upon PN by AB upon PQ. And from equation 3, you can see that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. So we can replace AB upon PQ by BC upon QR. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR multiplied by AM upon PN from equation 1. Then which is equals to BC upon QR multiplied by AB upon PQ. We have replaced AM upon PN by AB upon PQ from equation 2, which is equals to BC upon QR multiplied by BC upon QR. So we have again replaced AB upon PQ by BC upon QR from equation 3. So we get our result, that is BC upon QR whole square. This is what we have to prove. We can also prove it for the remaining two sides, that is AB upon PQ whole square or AC upon PQ PR whole square. For that, we have to draw altitudes on these sides as a basis. So we have reached our result, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square is equals to BC upon QR whole square is equals to AC upon PR whole square. Now to further understand this concept, we will take an example, and the example is, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equals to 15.4 cm, find BC. So it is given to us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we will draw triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and these two triangles are similar and their areas are also given, that area of triangle ABC is 64 cm square and area of triangle DEF is 121 cm square. EF is also given to us, that is 15.4 cm, and we have to find BC. Now let us see first that whether EF and BC are corresponding side. Yes, these two are corresponding sides and triangles are similar. Therefore, we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon DE whole square is equals to BC upon EF whole square is equals to AC upon DF whole square. But in this problem, we are bothered about BC and EF. So we will reduce this to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon EF whole square. Now on substituting these value, you can easily find out the value for BC, that is 11.2 centimeter. Now assignment for you to practice at your own. First question is, if the area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Second problem is, prove that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding medians. Now here the sides is been replaced by medians. And the last assignment work is, prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So these three questions are for your practice. Thank you.